Uma muthenya wa Valentines athaki matinatigwo na thutha na timu ya bururi mubira wa gonya mauma mwena wa Karen mucie kwa munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua na kuria mamokerirwo ni mutumia wake Pastor Dorcas Rigathi. Icera riri riukite riri timu ino irahareria guthaka mbitika cia Olympics Paris mweri-ini wa kanana mwaka uyu. Akiaraniria nao Pastor Dorcas ni amoretie kuiga muthitho riri mari na mayo ma guthaka ni undu wa matuko megoka niguo magateithika.
Ndio hiyo lebo, sijui kama mnaona lebo.
We are currently participating in the Challenger series, and we had our first win in Dubai, and I believe that is a momentum for us going back into the series where Kenya has been there for over 20 years.
Congratulate you for qualifying for the 2024 Olympics in Paris. I know it has been a hard road, and I look forward to seeing you win gold medal. I will be your #1 cheer. The retirement age of a sportsman or an athlete comes earlier compared to other professionals because of the competitive nature of the work that you do. You must therefore save as much as you can. You must learn to save from the money that you are making. You must invest.
Jorua ya kana watene wa bururi wa mathako wa kana muthako wa ngundi gikiro-ini kia middleweight Charity Mukamina jorua ya gitaro kia Africa mushifi wa super middleweight Daniel Wanyonyi nio matanyetwo gutongoria mashindano ma gikundi maria marananio ta shujaa wa mashujaa maria magathakwo tariki 16 mweri turorete kiharo-ini gia Kinoru Stadium kaunti-ini ya Meru.
Mimi nimezoea kuface wenye undefeated, yani very skilled boxers. Nimefight before na champ wakubwa sana. So sidhani kama hiyo inaweza kunipatia tisho yoyote. Nina train. Niko kwa road work, niko sparring, niko physical, everything saizi. I'm working on that.
Tuko tayari kuonesha mchezo mzuri na tunaomba mashabiki Meru wakuje kwa wingi waone tukicheza pale na game itakuwa mzuri.
We salute Lance productions from America, and we hope that the next fight, I know they have told us, will be in Malindi also. So definitely Kenyans should expect a lot of activities on the boxing field.
Very, very pleased to come to this country, in addition to being a great nation and a very, very important part of the African continent. It happens to be the home of my in-laws, so this is a really, really special event for me. From a boxing standpoint, you know, this is a very, very significant boxing card. Just based on the people we have on the card, this event possibly could be the most significant fight card on the African continent in the last.
Riboti negi ni ati muthaki Kylian Mbappe ni atanyetwo gucokereria utuku wa muthiriria PSG matanyetwo kunyita ugeni Real Sociedad ikereka ria timu 16 njega mbitika-ini cia Champions League. Mbappe aigirwo muhohio thutha wa kiumia kihituku kuria PSG